Seems the past few weeks have been the most trying yet for Mosaic Life Care. Staff there at the hospital have been optimistic in their ability to provide care amidst the pandemic. However, the rise of cases so dramatically in our area in recent days has put a strain on them with regards to staffing and capacity. Here's KQ2's Ron Johnson breaking down the numbers.
Dr. Davin Turner with Mosaic Life Care says of his more than 350 beds throughout the Mosaic system, 263 are filled with patients.
Of those 263, 68 of those are COVID positive patients.
And as the number of COVID-19 patients grow at the hospital, so too do other concerns. For starters, capacity. At the St. Joseph location alone, there are 58 COVID positive patients, enough to fill the 48 beds on the 5th floor, the hospital's designated space for COVID patients. The remaining 10 patients, staff say, are staying on the 2nd floor in an overflow area, away from non-COVID patients until space similar to the 5th floor opens on the floor below. When that happens, the hospital should have more than 100 beds between both floors and overflow areas for COVID patients. Even with that, Dr. Turner says they're not quite out of the woods. The rise in cases, he says, is also putting a strain on staff.
It's tight. I'm not going to tell you it's not. Our workforce is working very hard to pick up extra shifts if needed and to make sure that we have adequate staffing and coverage on the floor.
He says COVID-19 patients require more staff than usual. Dr. Turner cited staffing along with equipment as his biggest challenges for accepting new patients. But despite these challenges, he says he wants the community to feel safe coming to the hospital to receive care, COVID or not.
This is a safe place to be and to come to and to get your care. And our caregivers are working every day as hard as they can to make sure that they're able to provide you with the care you need.
Ron Johnson, KQ2 News.
Dr. Turner says he supports the city's effort to combat the virus's spread with the city-wide mask mandate.